Ryan here for Silly Reviews. Going to show you how to use the mat washer, the floor mat washer at your local car wash. If you have a membership or you're running through one time, and you know how you go through the car wash and then you have access to the vacuum cleaners and everything. Some of the nicer ones will have these mat washing stations. One's an automatic fabric floor mat washer. The other one is designed, this one right here with the tub is designed for your rubber mats or your plastic mats. But if you use my method, this is how you can optimize the performance here. Manually use that bin with the soapy water and the scrub brush and scrub your carpeted floor mats. Then run them through this machine and you'll see we're going to have two options on the automatic floor mat cleaning machine. There's a wet and a dry, a water on and a water off. With this method, you can use water off, run it through twice. They will come out super clean and almost bone dry. They'll still be a little damp. You don't want to put wet mats back in your car. You're going to get mold and mildew. You want them to be as dry as possible. And this method will not only get them super clean, but super dry. And as you see how this machine works, I looked up how much these cost. This is quite the investment for these car wash places. Approximately $10,000 plus tax. Then you have insurance plans. It's a big investment, but these things work. I was so impressed. It's my first time using it, and they are easy to use. I had never used one before. There was a little young lady who was using it before me, so I kind of kept an eye on her to see how she was doing it. And if a woman can use it, anyone can. And sure enough, I had no issue with it, and I even came up with this, my own little program for getting optimal results. So listen what I'm saying. We're going to see a before and after shortly. But go ahead, manually scrub up with the soapy water and the brush, scrub up your mats, then run it through with the water off. Look at the before. So this is the other one from the front, and that sucker was dirty. Look at the after. Super clean. I got to give these machines 2 thumbs up all day, and my method shows you how to use these mat washers, these floor mat washers, the best way.